What's up everybody, Bester with you. Today it's about the RF100 macro 2.8 lens. And I took a lot of photos using this lens here in the living room. You can guess what kind of object it is. These photos are not edited, just from RAW to JPEG. Let's do it. And if I tell you how I feel, would you be good to me? Good to me. How nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know you could be my remedy, my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I know you could be my remedy. In this video, the spherical aberration is in the middle. In this video, the spherical aberration is turned all the way to the plus sign. And in this video, spherical aberration is turned all the way to the minus sign. Now from all the way to the minus sign to the middle and to the plus sign. I think plus sign is a bit sharper, but it destroys all the edges of the subject. Everything becomes blurred for some reason. Now if we go to +1, it's okay. Can you see the difference? This is center, +1, kind of zoom in a little bit. And then +2 and +3. Now if we go -1, it's not blurred, that's okay. Right? So you can still use the spherical aberration. You can get creative with it by just going -1. -2 is still, for me, okay. Like I said, it's for your own creativity, but if you go all the way down, everything is blurred. Even though it's tracking the subject's eye, it's just blurred. And this is the center, back to center. I'm shooting at 4K 30, 1/60th, 2.8 ISO 1250. Those are the photos that I took using the macro lens, you guys. With the macro lens, you get a different perspective when it comes to taking photos. It's amazing how you can get so close to the subject. That's the only additional feature that you're gonna get with the RF version of the 100 macro. You have the control ring in front of the lens, plus the spherical aberration. I'm pretty sure, 100% sure, it's gonna be sharper than the EF lens because it's closer to the sensor of an RF body. If you have an R5 or R6, RP, or the R. Comment down below if you have any questions. and thanks for watching.
How nice.